Are you looking for the top 5 best cordless lawnmowers for your yard? How much should you actually spend on a cordless lawnmower? Because some folks are thrilled with the cheap options, while others are frustrated with the pricier ones. It's a bit of a puzzle.
Product number 1, American Push Reel Mower. Let's start with the American Lawnmower 1204-14. This is a manual push reel mower that caught my eye for its simple efficiency. Priced at just $72, it's a great budget-friendly option. If you're after an eco-friendly, low-maintenance solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mower has a 14-inch cutting width with a 4-blade system, making it perfect for small lawns. Weighing only 19 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver. Plus, the adjustable blade height lets you cut grass up to 4 inches tall while being gentle on your lawn. It's quiet, pollution-free, and just feels good to use. No noise or fumes while you're mowing. Now, some people complained about its effectiveness on tallow grass, which can be a downside if you let your lawn get a bit wild. But here's the thing, if you're mowing regularly, this isn't a deal breaker at all. Just keep that in mind if you have a more unruly lawn. This mower is perfect for you if you have a small yard and want to go green. Skip this one if your lawn is larger or you need something that can tackle thicker grass. Now, if the manual aspect of the American mower feels a bit too hands-on for you, the next option offers electric power with great efficiency.
Product number 2, Lawnmaster Electric Mower. Next up is the Lawnmaster MEB 1114K, an electric corded mower priced at $107.99. This one caught my attention because of its powerful performance. If you want a reliable and easy-to-use mower, this is definitely worth considering. This Lawnmaster electric mower delivers 3,300 RPM of power with a 15-inch cutting width. That means you'll get your yard done quickly and efficiently. It has 5 cutting height adjustments from 1.4 to 3 inches, which helps you customize your lawn's look just the way you like it. Plus, with rear wheels that are 7.75 inches, navigating around your yard is a breeze. And don't worry about clippings. It comes with a 7-gallon collection bag to keep things tidy. A common complaint is that being corded can limit your mobility, especially if you have a bigger yard. But honestly, if you don't mind being tethered to a power source, it's not a deal breaker. This mower is perfect for those who prefer electric power without the hassle of batteries. Now, if the corded nature of this mower makes you hesitant, the next product on our list.
Product number 3, WorkSky battery-powered mower. Now, let's take a look at the WorkSky 40V cordless lawn mower, priced at $199.99. This caught my attention because it's compatible with DeWalt batteries, which many people already own. If you want to avoid buying extra batteries, this is a smart option. This mower features a brushless motor that runs quietly with 2 constant speeds, giving you cutting power of up to 3,300 RPM. The 18-inch cutting deck lets you tackle larger areas with ease, and you have 6 height adjustments from 1 to 3 inches, making it super customizable for your lawn's needs. Plus, it has a large 40L collection bag, so you won't be constantly stopping to empty clippings. However, some users noted it doesn't come with the battery and charger, which can be a disappointment if you're not already equipped. But considering its compatibility with existing DeWalt batteries, it's a solid choice for those looking to expand their toolset. This mower is perfect for you if you own DeWalt batteries and want a capable cordless solution. Skip this one if you're looking.
Product number 4, Hein Pro Cordless Mower. Next, we have the Hein Pro Cordless Lawnmower, also priced at $199.99. This one stood out because of its compatibility with DeWalt 20V Max batteries, making it a great addition for anyone with that battery system. If you need a compact mower for smaller yards, this is a great option to consider. The Hein Pro mower sports a 14-inch cutting width and utilizes a brushless motor for a quieter mowing experience. It has a 5-position height adjustment, ranging from 1 to 2.6 inches, which helps in maintaining a neat look for your lawn. Plus, you can expect a runtime of around 15-20 minutes per charge, which is typically enough for small jobs. One downside is that the battery isn't included, which can be a hassle if you don't already have compatible batteries. But honestly, if you're already invested in the DeWalt ecosystem, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It just means you can mix and match with other tools. This mower is perfect for you if you have a small yard and already own DeWalt batteries. Skip this one if you're looking for a mower that includes everything out of the box. Lastly, if you want a more powerful option that still stays portable.
Product number 5, Greenworks 24V mower. Finally, we have the Greenworks 24V 13-inch brushless cordless lawnmower, priced at $223.59. This one caught my eye because it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. If you're after a simple, hassle-free mowing experience, this is worth considering. This mower provides up to 30 minutes of runtime on a full charge, which is ideal for smaller lawns. With a lightweight 13-inch cutting deck and a 5-position height adjustment, it allows for flexibility in maintaining your lawn's appearance. Plus, the 2-in-1 design lets you choose between bagging and mulching clippings, which is a nice touch. However, some users find the cutting width a bit limiting for larger areas, which can be frustrating. But honestly, for those with smaller yards, this mower excels and is quite efficient. This mower is perfect for you if you have a small yard and want something lightweight and easy to use. Skip this one if you...
To wrap it up, we've explored 5 great cordless lawnmowers, from the eco-friendly American push reel to the powerful Greenworks option. There's something for every yard and preference. Remember to consider your specific needs, whether it's battery compatibility, cutting width, or ease of use. Happy mowing!